right, viewers, the latest news break coming in. It does seem Sam Pitroda has once again apologized for what he had said, where he said that if he... I'm just getting a really bad echo. We can just clear that out. All right, so the latest news break is that Sam Pitroda has apologized for his comments on Pakistan, where he had stated, viewers, that he feels at home in Pakistan. Well, this is not the first time that Sam Pitroda has made a comment which has led to embarrassment for the Congress and huge amounts of conspiracy theories being instigated on the sidelines and a direct attack by the BJP. This time he says if he has hurt the sentiment of anyone, he is sorry. He did not mean to do that. He was only speaking of the shared history between India and Pakistan. Joined right now by my colleague Maushmi. Maushmi, what's the latest that you're getting in? It does seem once again Sam Pitroda has struck, embarrassing the Congress, and the Congress now making him issue out yet another statement, apologizing and taking back his original statement.
It takes a lot of undoing, deviating from the party line, the way the Congress had cornered the Modi government over the entire India-Pakistan match, and it comes at a time when Rahul Gandhi had also attacked the Modi government over Operation Sindoor, and why, the response was so abrupt and ended, and why were the hands of the forces tied. All those jargons and attacks we've heard in the parliamentary thing. And if I read his statement correctly, I don't see an apology there. In fact, we could call it a clarification, saying that if anybody is hurt, he actually intends to clarify that he didn't mean to hurt, and he was just talking about the greater common good, and he goes on with that. In fact, saying that he was talking about shared history and shared culture, not at the cost of
Okay.
the terror attacks and
Maushmi,